Let me let you get nosy in my business. When I came to America, it was during the recession and I had no job, no network, no reference. I didn't know anyone. I didn't even have savings. I had no money. I decided I wasn't going to send out a resume. I wasn't going to look for another job because I had had this grand idea and plan in my head to work for myself. I've been working from I was 13 years old. Gainfully employed in Jamaica. It's allowed. I had to help my family. So the idea of business and entrepreneurship was never new to me. I always admired it, even as an employee. Now, I came to America on what people call a 90 days fiance visa. My husband filed for me and I had to get married within 90 days of living in the country. All right, don't judge me. It worked. So I did. About 2 weeks later, my husband came back from work in the morning, which was odd. He lost his job. What a welcome to America. So here am I now in a brand new country, newly married, unable to work. In fact, one of the reasons why I didn't look a job was because there was none. It was a recession. And I was still waiting for my worker's permit and all that. So when he lost his job, we had to make a decision. And at the time, we were just doing casual van renting. Wasn't really making any money. He was paying for the lease of the vehicle and sometimes the insurance. We had no option, no plan B. But as soon as I received my work permit, I started to advertise my skill set that I've learned for years prior to coming to America. I used to be in accounting. In America, we call it bookkeeping. So I decided with my bright self to create a bookkeeping business, and I advertised my services on Craigslist, just trying it out. So I had the plan and the platform because I know that I had the skill. I could do bookkeeping in my sleep. I figured that I could solve a niche problem. Small businesses who can't hire a full-time bookkeeper would need my services. So I started with what I was good at. And I started with something that I know people would pay me for. So as you see, I had a clear plan. I had the right platform at the time and a clear way to know how to make profit. Plan, a platform, and profit. I focus on bookkeeping cleanups, meaning companies, small businesses who their bookkeeping was in a mess. Sometimes they mess it up by doing it themselves or they've hired inexperienced people. And my advertisement was, I'll clean up your mess, right? So that was my little tweak niche that positioned me as the expert, which I was. And people were willing to pay me. They were begging me. No one has ever asked me for a resume when I offer my bookkeeping services. They've never asked me how long I'll do it. They just want to know when it can be done and how much. And that suits me quite fine. Now, this bookkeeping business that I had started, it helped us to acquire vehicles until our transportation company became strong enough to qualify for funding on its own. So what did I do? First, I monetized a skill that I already had, I was confident in. Second, I specialized. I identified a group of people that had a specific problem that wasn't properly being served, and then I publicized. I publicized on a platform where people were already searching for services like mine. Monetize, specialize, publicize. So listen, I did not begin with a fancy logo or perfect business name. Even to today, my bookkeeping company has never been registered as an LLC. I operate that as a sole proprietor. One, because the risk of that kind of business is really low. I didn't need any special business protection. Again, I started out by figuring out who need my help, what they would pay me for, and where I could find them. Many people, they were completely backwards. They are going after, what they're going to call the business name and the logo and the branding, not understanding the fundamental of any business is who need what you have to sell or service, where you're going to find them, will they pay for what you have, fundamental. So you need an offer that solves one specific problem that people are willing to pay you for. You remember the Proverbs 31 woman? The Bible says she evaluated a field and she bought it. And she planted vineyards and she earned income from that by producing and selling goods. Multiple streams of income. Again, fasting on my business, as Jamaican would say, to get nosy in my business. I retired at 30 years old. What does that mean? Meaning, I don't have a resume. Retirement for me means I don't have to depend on one source of income. Just means your focus is on a different phase of your life, and my phase of my life is building business and building other people to build their business, because I care about your customers, the ones in the future, more than you ever know. So now you may be saying, okay, Carrie, all of this sounds good to my ears, but what exactly are you offering? I'm glad you asked. Don't get you taking action. The Experience the Income Sprint is a fast-track 4-week live group coaching intensive. We're going to focus on the things that actually create a business. Your who, which is your customer. Who has the problem you are equipped to solve? Your what, which is your product, what they already want to buy. What clear service or product you can offer them. Your where, how you're going to serve them. How will you package your services? Your prices, explain it. So by the end of this 4 weeks, my goal is for you to leave with a clear customer in mind, a clear pricing structure, clear offer, clear message, and a practical 30-day plan to begin to put it into the marketplace. This type of strategy and access is clearly a $5,000 consulting fee if I were to do it privately. But because this is being taught in a group format, I am shared the expense over the amount of people join the class. It will take me a little more energy to serve each one of you, because I'm throwing in a bonus with a 60 minutes one-on-one private time for each person, the first 20 people that signs up. So this sprint is only $497 one time. I may make a pay in 2 parts, but it's only $500 to get your business a proper business. Clarity, who you're gonna serve, what you're gonna sell them, get it structured, and get the help. You will have connection with me to guide you along the way. This is a no-brainer. If this was around when I was trying to bootstrap it myself, I would have paid them twice, honestly, because I had to figure out so much along the way. And I know you're a smart person and you are ready. You are so ready to expand your capacity, to increase your income, to help other people with the experiences that you have. You have seen problems and you're like, I know I can solve that. But here is this offer falling in your lap. You know that you need. You know that this is the right price, the right time, and the right offer. Now, I am going to limit this to 20 people. If there's more than 20 people, then they have to go into a different class some other time. So I'm going to limit this to the first 20 people. And for this, there is a bonus. You get 1 private hour, 60 minutes, to go through your idea with me and we strategize. This is now $497, and this price will rise again. So do you want it to wait for the price increase, or you want to just get on the $497? You're smart enough to make that decision. This is 4 weeks of live teaching once a week. $497. Because the next live round will be $997. So click the button and join the Experience to Income Sprint right now. See you on the other side.